This short video is going to show you how to export your gradebook from Schoology. So from your course homepage, go to the gradebook on the left-hand side. And so this is a past course, and I see all the final grades right here. I don't see any of the assignments, but don't worry, that'll all export just fine with those grades. If you did want to see them, you'll have to change the grading periods right here to the grading period of that course. You don't have to do that, but sometimes people like some reassurance that the stuff is actually there. So to export the gradebook, click on the three vertical dots right here. Click on Export, and then choose Gradebook as CSV, the top choice. Click Next, and that'll go to your Downloads file on your computer. Microsoft Excel will open that, or if you upload it to Google Drive, Google Sheets will open it as well. Thank you and have a good day.